ATC gang, welcome back to another video. I hope everyone's week has been amazing, and if not, I hope you are on your way to a better place. So today I'm going to, or tonight rather, I'm going to transform this basic coffee bar into something a little bit more fall inspired using these products. I just wanted to show you a couple different examples to let you know you don't have to spend a lot of money to achieve something nice. So if you want to see what I put together, keep watching. Wait. Before we get started, have you subscribed yet? Come on, join the fam. I was just showing you these cute little pumpkin towels that I found in the grocery store and my new favorite, spray away. So I just like to begin any project by removing all of the extra stuff from the surface so I can give it a good wipe down. Any decor design starts with a clean surface. Once I have all of that taken care of, I will proceed with the decorating. Alright y'all, so I just gotta stop and give a shout out to all of my new subscribers. I recently hit 1,000 and I'm so excited, and I'm glad to have each and every one of you. Welcome to my channel. I post videos weekly.
Whenever you need, come close. 'Cause I wanna be by your side.
Alright, so now that I have the basic pieces out, I'm going to go ahead and add the coffee and creamer to my dishes, and I will begin adding decor pieces. This big pumpkin I hauled, so I'll be sure to link all of the pieces above. And this is probably my most favorite design, of course, because of all of the pink and grays. You'll see that theme running throughout my home if you begin to watch more of my content. So I feel like in design, you have to have symmetry, and what you do to the top, you do to the bottom. So since I had the navy blue on the top shelf, I went ahead and added some navy blue ribbon to my apothecary jars. And I feel like this design is pretty cute. So this will be style 1, but it could use a bit of artwork in the middle. So as you can see, I decided to pick up my thankful sign and add that to finish this look off. Let me know down in the comments if you feel like this sign added something to style 1.
Give me love, give me all your love, oh, 'cause
So this is look 1. For me, it's probably one of my favorites because it has the pop of pink that I like, and it's pretty simple. I don't feel like it's too over the top. Just switch it up a little bit. It'll probably still be glam, but let's just play with changing out a couple key pieces and see what look we come up with. So all right, let's go over here to our stash.
all I need, and I'll be alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough.
So this is look 2. I feel like it's, you know, a little bit more neutral. It's not too girly, not too masculine. It's a good mix of the two. I just removed the pink, but for me it's still glam and it's still giving me everything that I need. So as you can see, for this look I removed the pink and I went with more of a neutral blue and black color scheme. I think I'm going to try something a little different with some of my other favorite pieces. So I'm gonna go ahead and, you know, change the look again, throw some pink back in, and let's see what we come up with. For all my new viewers, I just wanted to take the time to introduce myself and say hello. My name is Cicely. I'm a disabled mother of 2 boys. I was born with sickle cell anemia. I enjoy being able to film videos that talk about lifestyle, parenting, home decor, and sometimes we do a little vlogging. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, I would love to have you join the family. So don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Okay, so this is our next look. I brung in some of the more traditional golds and yellows for fall. And I still kept the pink Keurig. But if you want to see what it looks like if you take the pink completely out of the equation, let's do that real fast. This is what it looks like with just the black coffee pot, taking the pink out. I kind of like it like this with just the black and blue, but then again, of course, I love my pink as well. So you let me know down in the comments, do you like this look with the pink Keurig or with the black coffee pot? I like to use bird cages or lanterns, and for me that's like a staple piece to have because you can interchange the decor items that go inside seasonally. For this look, I just added a blue candle at the top and I brung the blue pumpkin down to the bottom as well as the cookies, and I decided to swap out the pink Keurig for the black coffee pots. I love these bird cages and lanterns because you can just switch out the inside seasonally. So when Christmas comes, I'll probably fill this with some twinkle lights and a lot of little Christmas trees. They're so versatile. So all right, y'all, I didn't forget about the traditional girls. I'm gonna go ahead and make that my last look. Now it's time for some good old traditional fall. Let's bring out the oranges. So guys, if you are enjoying the video so far and finding it full of warm and cozy fall vibes, I would love to have you hit that subscribe button and join ATC Gang. We'd love to have you around. So I still have a couple of decorations left, and I'm curious, do you think I should use them to do a master bedroom video or on my front patio? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. Tonight's overall look, I want to say this was definitely between $15 or $17, maybe even a little cheaper. The cups were about $2 a piece. These cups up here were $1 a piece, so don't feel like you got to spend an arm and a leg to pull a design together. wrap it up for tonight's video. I hope that you were able to take something from it, whether it was just how I place things or just realizing that you do not have to decorate with traditional colors. No matter how you decide to do your home, remember it's your home, you live there, you have to love it. I actually ended up loving using the non-traditional colors, and I'll probably let it sit like this for a while, or at least until I find something in the next Homegoods. But we'll see. All right, y'all. I'll see you in the next one. Be blessed.